peaceful green village surrounded by trees, rivers, and birds. Slowly, bulldozers cut trees, smoke rises, and buildings, highways, and walkways appear. The village becomes a city with schools, colleges, hospitals, and tall skyscrapers. But nature starts disappearing, birds vanish, rivers dry, air becomes polluted. Artificial trees, plastic gardens, and fake campaigns try to replace real nature. Show people confused, holding artificial leaves, wearing oxygen masks. Attending campaigns under billboards saying "Save Earth," but surrounded by pollution, and with a powerful shot. A child holding a dying plant, looking at the camera with hope. Once, this land was a village, rich with trees, rivers, and life. But slowly we cut the trees, built our cities, our roads, our schools, our hospitals. We gained comfort but lost the real treasure, nature. Today we create artificial plants, fake campaigns, and temporary solutions. But can we really replace God's gift of life? The truth is, without nature there is no future. Let's not just build cities. Let's protect our earth.